until 11th of December 2025 sisi tuko kwa Mugoma.
Another day, another stories. I heard Raila Odinga is no more. Man, the TRTV man is dead. He died from cardiac arrest when he was in India. Rich people problems. But he was old, 80 years old. Let his soul rest in peace. I love churches. So, we outside. Another day, another vlog. We outside. In fact, we are going to Kenyatta University. Today is date 15. I think election is going on. I'm going to vote for somebody. My friend, a good friend of mine, was vying for delegates. I'm gonna go and vote for him. That man helped me a lot when I was admitted at Kenyatta University some years back. I'm going to vote for him, just giving him thanks, because he's a good man, he's a great man. Behind me, that's how do we call this? I think it's cower downs. Raila is dead. You are alive, so what's up? Enjoy life. But on a good day, people die. On a bad day, people die. So he has died. Na wengine wamezaliwa. So stay tuned. That's it. Go to
Tuko hapa. Grau inasema aje?
Grau inasema otherwise, lakini tunajaribu. Unajua.
Grau inasema aje? Inasema namna gani?
Grau inasema vile inasema, lakini tunajaribu.
Kabisa.
Tunajaribu.
Kabisa. Kabisa.
Boom, we are at Kenyatta University. The entrance, the school looks clean today. People are walking slowly. Let's go to graduate school. Hey, guys are walking 3-3 bana. Hey, this girl looks beautiful. University election is a real struggle. Red lady is trying to convince them to vote for him. The suit man, vote for me. Vote for me, vote for me, oh, vote for me, oh, vote for me. But this is a real struggle. You see somebody succeed in this election of university. Well, let's hear what this guy has to say. My guy over here. Niliboeka na graduate school kamua kuenda place Malek wanagoma kugoma. So wengine wanapiga kura, wengine wanacheza. Something funny about these lecturers ni hawachelewangi hapa, wako campanile na kombile ngoma inachezwa hapo unashindwa. So are they mourning for Raila ama are they striking for their money? The place looks good. This alongside company Kenyatta University.
For Justice Stephen Radido
dancing a lot,
to listen to our case,
dancing. I don't know whether
in which the government was given time
morning or striking
with the reconciliator to come and table figures about the arrest of 2017-2021. And our lawyer has this to say, that the above matter came up before Stephen Radido on 15th October 2025. the judge set a date for ruling on our application for stay and the contempt of the court against the claimant and the ministry officials, and the setting aside of orders stopping the strike, as well as the claimant's application for temporary orders. The ruling will be delivered on 11th December 2025.
Celebrate, we are still on strike.
In the meantime, the court granted partial 10 more days to negotiate, and if they agree, they can come and register the consent on or before 29th of October 2025.
Nice one.
So colleagues, it is obvious the judge was very impartial. He allowed the government to do its stuff. He allowed the union to continue with its strike until 11th of December 2025. Sisi tuko kwa mgomo. Anyone who is cheating you that they will be learning, that is a cousin to Sakayo. Mwenye atawaambia kwamba kutakuwa na mafundisho ama masomo katika chuo kikuu hiki na vyuo vikuu vyote katika nchi hii, huyu ni relative wa Sakayo. There will be no learning. So comrades, mfanye kura zenu mzuri kwa amani, mchague viongozi wema wenye watawakilisha, na sisi tutaendelea na mgomo mpaka serikali itupatie hadi yetu ya 7.9 billion. If you realize this country belongs to the young people. Those of us who have been working for a long time,
7.1 billion.
Nature has a way of eliminating people. So the young people stand up. You know what happened in Madagascar when the president of Madagascar couldn't listen to his people. They chased him. So we are now warning the government to listen to its people and pay workers well. In developed countries, which Kasongo keeps on shouting, education is free from primary school all the way to university for its citizens. Talk about all the countries in Europe, education is purely free. Hapa, our children do not even afford a meal. So we are warning Sakayo. I'm not a politician, but I am warning Sakayo and his henchmen who have taken our money and they think we are going back to class. We are warning them, we are not going back to class. So colleagues, tushikilia hapo. We will be singing here day in, day out until they pay us 7.9 billion. And we are fighting for our children and the children of our children. We have a beautiful country that has been messed up by Wakora. So colleagues, let us stay firm. God is on our side, and this war we will win against any forces. Thank you so much.
No principalities sharpened against university workers shall work. Bwana VC. Bwana VC.
Viva comrades! Comrades wisdom! Viva comrades! Viongozi mkoaje? Si ni fire, si fire. Si ndio? Fire si fire! Fire si fire! Sisi ni noma si noma! Hapa hivi. Sawa. Sisi tuko kwa mgomo, hatubanduki. Sasa tutaridima hii ngoma mpaka Disemba. Wakitaka kutulipa by 29th wameambiwa warudi kotini watulipe. Hata mliona PS jana kwa TV akistama, kwa sababu the things she was talking she knew it were lies. Tunafanya hesabu na wao, tunakaa chini, tunapata mistake iko wapi, alafu anakataa kusaini, wakatoka wakakimbia. Sasa wacha tukae hapa tungangane na wao mpaka siku hilo atalipa sisi. Waoga wale wako kwa ofisi, hakuna kitu kibaya, siku anajua hivyo. Kama wewe ni muoga utaona mbinguni. Hakuna tofauti yako na msherati, hakuna tofauti yako na mwizi, hakuna tofauti yako na muuaji. Biblia imewaweka pamoja. Ninyi wote mtaenda kwa moto. Na mnajua kila mtu anaenda Si kweli? Wale hiyo ni Mungu anajua. So sisi tuko hapa tunaitisha pesa. Kuna jamaa mwingine ako ile nyumba amekataa kulipa sisi.